bread making. It's like the wine or the cheese. It's not so much the recipe, it's more the way you take the right decision. It's the old style of bread making. The bread has to be pretty, has to be good, not only pretty.
André is an artisan bread baker in the Swiss Alps. He uses wild yeast and time-honored processes and traditional methods. It's a slow rise, and as a result, he gets bread that tastes like nothing else.
What's very important is to be present in what you are doing. Bread is a way to be in what you are doing. Making bread is an art. Attention, you bring a lot of your heart, and it's like a creation. You begin again and again. You're surprised of the result, something new. Every time I do bread, it seems sometimes it's the same, but for me it's different. Every time I do bread, it's something new. Kind of art, we can say it like this. And you do it with your heart.
André bakes his bread in a 200-year-old wood-fired oven. He gets a result that you can't find from modern commercial bakeries today.
We just tasted the bread at the Pain de Mosset, the restaurant nearby. It's very good, of course. We tasted the one with whole wheat, all kinds of wheat, and I love that. Those very traditional breads.
His bakery is only open one day a week for just 4 hours, and it's a hub of activity as 400 freshly baked loaves are put up for sale. And locals come from miles around to purchase these remarkable loaves of bread.
Just this building in the oven is really something exceptional, and then the bread you can't beat. It's just as simple as that.
It's the pleasure to do and to feel, but it's still a hard work. At the end of the day, you sleep well and you see what you have done.